Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have administrator rights and that the current account is fully signed in. This avoids permission errors. Once done, make sure OneDrive is synced or that you've backed up crucial files to an external drive. This protects data when switching accounts. Next, get the new Microsoft account credentials ready, email and password, and any two-step verification method. These steps reduce interruptions and let you move directly into settings without stopping for missing details. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then Email and Accounts to add the other Microsoft account. This is how Windows links profiles. If you prefer, sign out and create a local account first, then add the Microsoft account. This isolates issues. When adding, verify identity with the email code or authenticator so Windows can apply sync and privacy policies. Make sure to review sync toggles for OneDrive, settings, and passwords. These decide what moves between accounts and prevent unexpected data loss. After adding the account, sign out and sign back in or restart to let Windows apply profile changes and permissions. Then check OneDrive, Microsoft Store, and app sign-ins to reauthorize access where required. This resolves most missing file or license issues. If something breaks, like failed sync or admin rights, use Settings System Recovery to undo recent changes or create a new administrator account and migrate files. If you see verification errors, confirm the secondary device or email for two-step verification and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.